On the drive, it crosses the timeline. Acapuro stabs to Ryan Suarez.
2 minutes remaining.
Step back
in the fourth.
Here's Acapuro. Moves in, backing up. There's a spin move by Acapuro. And that was a nice try.
Tie game, 77 apiece. 1 minute, 50 seconds remaining.
Danny Marilao with the spinoid. He crosses the timeline. Marilao is on the front court, being watched here by Ike Acapuro. And they go to Ondivilla versus Sual. Ondivilla makes his move. Ondivilla on the run, and the referee stops the foul on the 10th.
All right.
Okay.
This weekend, everything is happening.
Ondivilla on free throw. Ondivilla got it. So, they're again with the lead. Yes, 1 point lead, 78 to 77. One more throw for Ondivilla. And he also got it. So
2 free throws in.
Ryan Sual to Di Isidro.
10 seconds to shoot.
Looking inside. There's Ryan Sual for 3. Bang!
Sual!
And Team Navas now overtakes with a 1 point lead, 18-79, 1 minute and 23 seconds. Panganiban backing off versus Di Isidro, looking for Danny Marilao. Marilao versus Ike Acapuro. They're playing on top of KO. They get to Ondivilla. Ondivilla on the move. Still chases by Ryan Sual. Ondivilla goes one-on-one.
5 seconds to shoot.
There's the screen. Ondivilla a step to Marilao.
No good. That's no good. 24-second violation. That basket doesn't count.
Yes. It's an intense battle. 18-79 until Pangibaba Navas controls the lead. Sual. Walking on the there's Ondivilla. And pass it by Acapuro. There's Ondivilla on the run. Off that steal. Ondivilla. No. Follow by Marilao for 2 points. Pangibaba Navas looking for a lead here. On low post is Emma Nojola. Posing down low. Being guarded by
10 seconds to shoot.
Foul on the floor. Yes.
No.
Foul
There
on
is
the
a
floor.
personal foul. Number 34, Fatih. 4 personal foul, penalty. Both teams are in a penalty situation.
And a chance for Team Pangibaba Navas to regain the lead since Emma Nojola on the line. The first was in to tie this one up, 81 all. But Emma Nojola has another attempt left to put Team Navas on pedestal of the lead. 81 all. One more throw. 43.7 seconds. And here's Emma Nojola with the last try. No. And the Spotty with a big rebound, and they go to Panganiban, not to Ondivilla. Ondivilla on the run. Switch outside. Ondivilla looking for an
15 seconds to shoot. 32
Ondivilla fires for 3. Short one. Bon controls it. They go to Di Isidro. Pass it to Steal.
20 seconds remaining in the fourth.
On